Get out of the car.
The f is wrong with you?
Now.
And if you put my car on this thing, I'ma beat your ass. Now, with that being said, I'm out of my car and y'all still don't run. This is sexual harassment. There's no female officers on the scene and y'all are trying to touch me in between my legs. Don't put that f***ing latch on my motherfucking car unless y'all want to issue. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. Now I'm not under arrest and all I'm trying to do is just turn my f***ing car off. And I'm finna sue the fuck out of y'all. Get the fuck off me.
Can't wait.
So now with that being said, you're just trying to be a that you barely got. That you barely have. No, I'm not done. Because I'm gonna reach in your rights before you can read me mine.
This woman didn't allow the police to tow her vehicle after they learned her vehicle insurance has expired for over 30 days. Watch how it all escalated, leading to her arrest. And make sure you subscribe to this channel.
Ma'am, I just want to talk to you out here real quick.
No problem.
Step back with this officer. She passed me that bag. I gotta talk to her about what's in it is all. Are there any weapons in the car? No, sir. No drugs, nothing like that? No, sir. Okay. I'm gonna stand up there with him real quick. Do you have anything on you?
No, sir.
You want to sit in my car so you're not out here getting wet unless you want to stand out here?
Either or, it doesn't matter to me.
Okay. If you want to stand out here, that's fine. Here, just stand at the front of the car. Nope. We're gonna look through the bag. Stand at the front. You're saying just the booze?
Why do you need to look through my bag?
You can't be driving around with open alcohol in the car.
The bottle hasn't been touched. I said booze in my tray, so I mean...
But I could see just when you were fiddling around that it obviously had been drinking out of.
That bottle hasn't been drinking out of for 2 days, sir.
But you're still driving around with it is the problem, right? I just want to make sure there's nothing else in here that you're not supposed to have when you're driving around town, that's all.
No, I literally just left from the house, so anything that's in my bag, I haven't, you know.
That's it.
Yeah. I haven't touched anything since I've been off work today.
There's nothing else in the car?
No, sir.
Okay.
I know you read my name, so it's probably showing up in the system that I have a FOIA license. No, my gun is not in the car.
I didn't even know you had a FOIA.
Yes, I do. And it's not, my firearm is not in the car.
Okay.
So.
I wasn't even really necessarily worried about that.
I'm just informing you because I know it's your job.
Nothing in your pockets?
No, sir. Nothing. You're more than welcome to check me.
I'm just going to check with the back plane, or if you want to fall down. Coming up in the car? Yeah.
That's fine. Why can't I sit in my own car for that?
Because I'm going to get him out of the car, and we're going to check your car, and then we'll get you on your way.
Oh,
You are still not free to leave.
But I'm not under arrest. So with that being said, by me not being under arrest, no, I'm not, because you did not tell me I was under arrest.
You're going to get 3 tickets. You're going to be under arrest 3 times. Can you guys step out here? Here's your bag back. And then 3 tickets, October 28th.
You don't even have to give me the tickets because I'm finna pay for my car insurance now.
That doesn't change anything.
No, this is stopping you guys from being able to take my car tonight because I have no ride. So if I have my insurance, then that'll stop you guys from taking my car.
No,
so it's
it does not. It does not.
Yes, it does.
So let's not go down that road, okay? Because they're going to tow your car regardless.
No, they're not. And I'm not standing outside in the rain to talk to you.
Listen, the car's getting impounded regardless.
No, sir.
That's not
as long as my insurance got paid for, it's paid for.
No,
so therefore, you're not towing my car.
Of driving on the road without insurance. It's getting.
You're still not going to tow my car, and I can show you my insurance card. No, sir. No, you're not towing my car.
Everybody out here is going to get soaked because you think that you're going to be able to change
what's going to happen is y'all going to get sued because I know my rights. This is where y'all fail to realize. Y'all think, no, sir. Y'all think only y'all know y'all rights. Absolutely wrong. I know my rights. He's not towing my car. So Reynolds, if you put this on the thing, you're going to be sued. So you might as well just give up on it. You might as well give up on it.
Damage your car, it's on you.
What are you doing?
I know my rights.
I'm going to give you one last chance to get out of the car or you're going to jail.
I'm not going to go to jail because I know my rights. So with that being said, I'm not going to stand out in the rain. We're going to start there.
Okay, I'm not going to ask you one more time. You either step out of the car and your car is impounded or I'm taking you to jail.
Y'all got to give me valid proof that my car is going to be impounded or I'm not getting out of the car.
Or I'm taking you to jail.
I'm going to get the f*** out my car. You're not going to rush me,
Get out of the car.
The f*** is wrong with you?
Now.
And if you put my car on this thing, I'm going to beat your ass. Now, with that being said, I'm out of my car and y'all still don't run.
Let's go.
Because I know my fucking rights. Y'all didn't read me no rights, so therefore I know mine. Do y'all know y'all's?
not being in
Do you know exactly? So with that being said, I can show you my fucking insurance card. Insurance is paid for.
Nope.
And it was paid before this motherfucking tow company got here.
You already told me that you haven't had insurance for the past 30 days.
Exactly, but if I just pay for my car insurance because someone helped me pay for my car insurance,
We're past that.
you can't tow my car.
We're past it.
At least I was being honest with y'all.
Yep.
So now with that being said, you're just trying to be a that you barely got, that you barely have.
Done.
No, I'm not done. Because I'm going to reach in your rights before you can fucking read me mine. With that being, no, I'm not. I'm not. I'm fucking not. No, I'm not.
Alright, you guys can hook up to it.
The fuck is to y'all. I know my fucking rights.
Okay.
Don't put that fucking latch on my motherfucking car unless y'all want to issue. The fuck.
We're done. Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Now.
I'm not.
I put your back. Now. You're under arrest. I'm gonna
How am I under arrest and all I was trying to do is just turn my fucking car off?
Stop, man.
If y'all break my arm, I'm suing y'all.
Stop moving.
Let me go then.
Got her. Can you stop, man?
No, because I'm not under arrest or nothing.
I already told you you're
All
under
I was going to do is just turn my fucking car off. Let me go. All I was going to do was just turn my car off. That's it. No, I'm not.
Yep. Stop it. Let's get her bag off first.
Can you let me go?
No.
Josh, come get my bag.
In a minute. Hang out over there.
Can y'all let me go? All I was doing was turning my car off.
I gave you plenty of opportunity.
All I was trying to do was get the rest of my stuff out the car and turn off my car.
You would have had
Can
the
y'all please?
opportunity to do that.
Okay, that's all I was trying to do.
No.
Can y'all please let me go?
In the car now.
All I was trying to do was turn my car off. And y'all are manhandling me.
In the car.
Can
Now.
y'all let me go, please?
In the car.
Can y'all please let me go? Y'all are hurting my arms.
Okay.
No, I'm not getting in the car because I didn't do anything wrong. All I was going to do was take my rest
You're
of my
gonna add
stuff
a
out of the
resisting
car.
charge now to this.
How? And all I'm telling y'all is all I was trying to do is get the rest of my stuff out the car and turn the car off.
We're past that.
I was not resisting anything. I'm gonna let y'all
No,
take
you
the
were
car.
obstructing.
I wasn't.
It's too
If
late.
I'm telling y'all I'm getting the rest of my stuff out my car, that's it.
That's
and I
not
would have
what you
walked
said.
from here.
In the car.
Y'all didn't
Now.
give me no chance. Y'all just snatched me up. Can y'all please let my arms
I
go?
clearly said I was giving you a
Can
chance
y'all
to
please
get
let
out of the
my
car.
and y'all did not.
Sit down in the car.
Can y'all please let me go?
Get in the car. Or you're going to get yourself hurt. Get in the car.
Can you please uncuff my arms?
Stay on the sidewalk for a minute. Allowed to get that back? Not right now.
Listen to me. Get in the car. This isn't going to go well for you.
Y'all are trying to take me to jail for no reason. All I was trying to do is get the rest of my stuff out the car.
Get in the car
That's
now.
it.
Put your feet in now.
I have no problem with doing that, but y'all, first and foremost, there's no female officer even present. So therefore, I know my rights.
Now.
All I was trying to do is get the rest of my out of the car, and I was gonna let y'all take it.
Nope.
Period.
Didn't.
That's it. There's no reason for y'all to take me to jail when I'm
Tried to
steady
drive
telling
off
y'all.
the truck.
I was not gonna
Put your
drive
feet in.
nowhere. I'm steady telling y'all. All I was do
Brownie.
not touch me. Do not touch me.
Put your feet in.
This is a lawsuit.
Now. Put your feet in the car.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I'm steady trying to talk to somebody.
you willing
He's
to do-
ignoring me.
Listen, are you willing to do a breathalyzer once we go back to the police department?
This is the whole problem. I'm steady
Yes or no?
saying, I'm steady saying to you guys, all I want to do is make, when I got out the car, I did not feel my cell phone in my pocket.
Do you wanna do
so
a
when I opened the
breathalyzer or
door to get my phone out the car, that's all I was doing. I was not finna pull off no anything. I was already out of the car.
You want to do a breathalyzer, yes or no?
Can you let me out the car now?
Okay. Your friend just looked for your phone and it's not in there.
That's all I was trying to do was see if my phone was in the car. That's it. I was not finna pull off.
After the woman lied about the whereabouts of her phone, she went ahead to put a call through someone while she was being detained. Don't forget to subscribe and watch how the cops handled the situation.
I have my rights, sir.
me your phone.
Do not go in between my legs because you can't get in trouble for that. There's no female officer here on my rights.
So you're going to catch another charge on top of
No,
those that
I'm
you already
not.
have if you don't give us that phone.
No, I'm not, because it's male officers handling a female.
Then move your legs.
I asked to talk to y'all, and y'all refuse to talk to me.
Okay, we need that phone from you. You got the phone? Nope.
I know my rights, man.
Stop it.
Can y'all let me go?
We need the phone.
And let me sit up, please and thank y'all.
Where's the phone at?
This is sexual harassment. There's no female officers on the scene, and y'all are trying to touch me in between my legs.
We need
let
you.
me
Let
go.
your phone go.
Let me go.
Let go of the phone.
Let me sit up first, and then I'll give y'all my phone. Y'all shouldn't have never detained me in the car in the first place.
You're arrested.
I wasn't under arrest when I sat in this car.
You're not detained. You're arrested.
I wasn't under arrest when I sat in
Okay,
this car,
sit
though.
up.
Okay, let me sit up. Like I said.
The phone is non-negotiable. I will sit here for hours and hours,
And we can.
and you will just wait longer and longer to get booked and get out of jail. But we need that phone. And we're
Y'all
not.
don't need my phone.
We do. What's it gonna be?
Y'all can unhook me.
No.
And we can discuss this. This is sexual harassment, sir. I know my rights. And I'm finna sue the fuck out of y'all. Get the fuck off of me.
Can't wait.
Get the fuck off of me. The fuck is y'all? Don't. I can get myself. Do not grab my arm. You don't have to grab me because I know how to walk on my own. I'm not fucking retarded. Don't touch me. Do not touch me. Let